Yo, my people Newton's first law.
Pure emotion.
The body remains a rester in a straight motion, unless a force act changes. Uniform motion in a straight line stays till external forces alter its way. Here's Newton's second law.
High key.
F equals m times a.
Low key.
So acceleration is proportional to force
applied,
and inversely the mass on the heavier side.
It takes the direction of the force in command. The motion responds to the force on the land.
Now, the third law is busting no distractions. For every action there is a reaction. Equal in size yet opposing direction.
The forces act on body apart, same size and strength, but reversed in part.